Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows security settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to find your IP address for private or public network in your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come down below right here where you have your start. Click on start right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on network and internet. Under network and internet, go ahead and click on property right here. Then from property right here, you can come to the top right here. So here, under the public network, which is recommended, if you are using the public network, which simply means that no any other one can share your internet devices except they have access to your password. So that is for public network. So right here, you have to make sure you scroll down right here, and then you have access to your IP address for public network. So the more you scroll down, so here we go, you have your IP for address right here, which is this particular number right here. It's that simple. The same way you check on the public network is the same way you check on the, if you switch to private network right here, then you're going to see the IP address. You have to make sure you come down below right here, then you have your IP address to be this for private network. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC and the network security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.